आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this is our question. Let me explain this question to you. Due to hectic and busy schedule, Mr. Singh started taking junk food in the lunch break and slowly became habitual of eating food irregularly to excel in his field. One day during meeting, he felt severe chest pain and fell down. Mr. Khanna, a close friend of Mr. Singh, took him to doctor immediately. The doctor diagnosed that Mr. Singh was suffering from acidity and prescribed some medicines. Mr. Khanna advised him to eat homemade food and change his lifestyle by doing yoga, meditation, and some physical exercises. Mr. Singh followed his friend's advice, and after a few days, he started feeling better. After reading the above passage, answer the following questions. The first part: what are the values, at least two, displayed by Mr. Khanna? Option B: what are antacids? Give one example. And the third is saying, would it be advisable to take antacids for a long period of time? Give reason. So we can just consider directly from the given paragraph that the value displayed by Mr. Khanna are very good. So it is seen that he is exhibiting a very caring nature, right, towards his friend. And the second thing, we can say that he is very supportive, and also he is aware about the lifestyles and some basic things that we should do, the stretching and exercises for a fit body, right? The second part is saying, what are antacids? Now, what are antacids are basically the substances that neutralize the excess of acid produced in the body. So we can just pen it down that antacids are medicines used to control acidity in stomach, right? And how do they control that? They are basically very mild bases, so they will be neutralizing the excess of acid, right? For example, if we take mixture of aluminium hydroxide, right, and magnesium hydroxide, so taking the mixture in this case, these will be acting as mild basis solutions, so they will be neutralizing the excess of acid, right? Apart from this, we can also take sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is commonly known as baking soda and is also available at our home. So this can be taken. We can write its formula also. It is NaHCO3, correct? The next thing, we can take Zentak, we can take, it is also mild base, or we can take ranitidine. Okay, these are some of the substances that can be used. The third part, is it advisable to take acids for a long period of time? To take antacids for a long period of time. This is wrong. Okay. So because if we are taking antacids for a long period of time, they will be making the stomach basic now. So more acid will be released now, right? So penning it down that no, excessive antacid can make the stomach alkaline and trigger the production of more acid. Correct? So this is the answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।